I'm Christine Jane Rosendo, 22, from Isabela, Philippines. But you can call me Teacher Christine. So, I have a deep passion in teaching for language, communication, and also mathematics. I have been teaching English and mathematics to my students from my previous teaching internship, helping them improve their language skills, gain confidence in speaking English, reading, writing, critical thinking, and also problem solving. So, my background in education has given me the opportunity to work with the diverse learners and each with their unique challenges and goals. So, now I have a question. Can you hear me loudly and clearly? Yes, so without further ado, let's now proceed to our discussion. So now I am going to explain to you my understanding with these proverbs. You can't control the wind, but you can adjust your sail. So, based on my opinion, your attitude plays a crucial role in this process. A positive and proactive mindset can transform challenges into stepping stone towards success. By taking control of your actions and remaining steadfast in your goals, you have also the power to the influence to the directions of your life. Ultimately, it is not the challenges themselves that define your destiny, but on how you choose to respond to them. Your resilience, adaptability, and determination are the true drivers of your journey, guiding you toward a future shaped by your choices and effort. All right, we're done. Thank you for listening to our class.